I'm standing in what will soon be a brand new space dedicated to our Academy of Science and Medicine. ASM is one of the EVSC's high school programs that offers students a rigorous, hands-on learning experience focused on preparing them for careers in health and science-related fields. This four-year program is designed to prepare students for success at the university level and beyond. That's why it's so exciting to see this major facility project getting underway. This upgrade will elevate the ASM experience and expand what's possible for our students. Now let's hear from Dr. Joey Barnett from Vanderbilt University, an EVSC graduate and a member of our advisory board, along with current ASM students who are pursuing their passions and planning their futures.
We've been very innovative about this curriculum, and it is certainly focused on the sciences. And what we provide at the ASM when they come here to our new building that we're putting together right here is they're going to get advanced courses in things such as chemistry and biology and physics. But equally important, we have intentionally folded communication and professional development into those activities because we know, and my entire career as a medical school professor, physicians and scientists and others don't fail because they can't do the science. They fail because they can't work in teams. They fail because they can't communicate well. And so we're addressing those things very early so that we can really ensure the long-term success of these students.
We've built, we've created a space that has state-of-the-art both science and biomedical science laboratories, and it's really going to give our students the opportunity to interface with new technologies, new science equipment and experiments that most students across the country wouldn't get access to until they're in college or even graduate school. So we're going to give them those opportunities here at ASM.
You learn so much like English, history, math, you learn so much out of this program, and it helps a lot because it puts more focus on science, yes, but it helps you build more knowledge on everything else. So then it'll prepare you for college, because I've heard people say oh, I think college will be easier for you than high school just because of how ASM prepares you and everything, which I'm looking forward to college because of that.
There's also the connections that get made, through Deaconess Week. You go and shadow medical professionals at Deaconess for 3 to 4 days. You shadow so many people, you get to talk to so many doctors, you listen to so many speeches. It's so great. You will be able to leave ASM with so many connections and such a network of people that you're just going to be set up for the rest of it.
The ASM is a driver for our regional economics as well, because we found over a 10-year study that 75% of our students live and work back here in Evansville after their collegiate training. And so we think that this facility is going to give us the opportunity to expand our network even farther and really give our students the opportunities to be the next generation of leaders in our community.